What's going on, guys? Welcome to Teen Bodybuilding India. My name is Shreyas. So friends, today I would like to talk about something very popular on the internet, that is maintaining your muscle mass during dieting. So summer is fast approaching, but in India it's already summer and many people might be still on their diet and losing all kinds of fat, but at the same time they are also losing muscle. So many people have asked me this question and I get questions regarding this all the time, that is how to maintain my muscle during losing fat. I have built lots of muscle mass during my bulking phase and I don't want to lose my hard gained muscle, so please help me. That is what most of the people ask me. So there are a couple of things that you must keep in mind. Not lowering your calories too much. For me, my maintenance calories is around, I think, 2700 calories when I was around 76 kilograms, and for me I didn't reduce my calories more than 200 for the first 3 weeks. So if your maintenance calories is 2700, you should not reduce more than 200 calories for the first 3 to 4 weeks. If you are losing weight, then keep on with that, and if you are not losing weight, just reduce your calories. That is how you should do your diet for the first time, especially because you don't know how your body will react. So know your body, how it reacts to your diet, and if it does well, then keep on with that, and if it doesn't, reduce your calories a little bit more so that you can lose weight. So the second thing would be doing too much of cardio. I see people daily running on the treadmill without any weight training, and they think that they lose muscle, they lose fat and keep all their muscle. So guys, spend as much time as possible on weight training than cardio. You can do cardios on your rest days, or at least 3 to 4 times a week, not more than that, because it puts your body into a state where your body will go for muscle than fat, because fat is not at all a good source of energy, guys, believe me, because that's why you feel tired when you're dieting, because your body is using your fat for energy than your muscle. So that shows that your fat is a bad source of energy for your body to run. So doing too much cardio, don't do too much cardio, just do 3 to 4 times a week cardio, especially if you are reducing your calories by 200 per day. So doing too much cardio and reducing too much calories, these are a couple of things that you must keep in mind. Then the workout part. I have seen many people in the gym, when they are dieting, go for lightweight and higher reps. They'll take lightweight and do around 20 to 30 reps for each set. So that is another mistake that people do. So let me give an example. While you are trying to build muscle, what are you doing? So you will be going with heavy weight for 8 to 12 reps or 12 to 15 reps. And what is your goal when you are trying to diet down? Your goal is to burn fat and maintain your muscle. So it is a common sense thing, guys, because when you are trying to burn fat also, you must maintain a high intensity. It doesn't mean that you will be doing all kinds 30 to 40 reps with light weights. You must still go heavy as much as you can, and go for around 6 to 12 reps. That must be your rep range, and you should not change much during your dieting and your bulking phase. So keep your workout similar and go with heavy weights as you do when you are doing bulking. So the third thing is done, and the fourth thing would be reducing your carbs. Do not think that reducing your carbs and increasing your fat by much will help you lose fat and maintain your muscle. Carbs are very important because when you are dieting, the glycogen levels in your muscle will be very low, and especially after you finish your workout, the glycogen levels will be depleted and your muscles will be asking for carbohydrates. And if you don't get enough carbohydrates throughout the day and after your workout, that's when your body will lose muscle. Your body will require, the energy required for your body after your workout is the most during the day. So make sure that you get enough carbs and slowly reduce your carbs, because once you get to around 10% body fat, then you must reduce your carbs drastically, because it becomes difficult because your body has less amount of fat. So it's important to reduce your carbs once you get below 10% body fat. So don't reduce your carbs. And the most important thing is protein. I see hundreds of people, especially in my gym, they don't know how much protein they need to maintain their muscle or build muscle. The other day I asked one guy, what is your diet looks like? And what he said is, I drink 1 liter of milk per day and 3 eggs, how much protein will you get from that, guys? 3 eggs means 20 grams of protein approximately, and 1 liter of milk you get around, I think, nearly 10 grams of protein. So 30 grams of protein. At maximum he will get 50 grams of protein in a day. Is that enough? No. So that is one of the biggest mistake, especially Indians make. Many Indians give an excuse that they are skinny because they are genetically not gifted. That's a bullshit, guys, because you are not eating enough. Get enough protein so that you can maintain your heart built muscle. So these are the simple things you should keep in mind. And the cardio thing is a very debated topic, guys. Don't do more cardio. Don't do cardio more than 3 to 4 times a week. And if you are still not losing weight, just reduce your calories. Don't do too much cardio. To be honest, guys, I got to 10% body fat without doing cardio. I did only 2 times a week cardio, and I still got below 10% body fat easily just with my diet and my weight training. So these are the few points you should keep in mind, guys, and give your body enough rest days to recover. Don't go to the gym 6 days a week training 20 to 30 sets and your body won't get enough time to recover. So these are the few points that you should keep in mind when you're trying to maintain your muscle while dieting and losing fat. So guys, I hope I answered your questions. If I have not yet answered your question, please do leave comments down below, and if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll be back again. Train hard, stay fit. Bye.